Yes, it's one of the biggest franchises.
He's also taken the difficult route of being a transgender in the film.
He's fabulous with comedy. Lawrence Master director. I'm looking forward to it.
Do you have any temples so far?
Oh no. Not at all. He's got a very nice aura about him and he's extremely intelligent and knowledgeable.
intelligent.
And he must have given you some gyan as well, I'm sure. Hi, this is Vedika Kumar here and you are watching Bollywood Hangama. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon.
It's wonderful to have a beautiful and vivacious Vedika with us. Her movie, The Body, is releasing this Friday. It's her first Hindi film and she's done 22 films down south. Pleasure having you on Bollywood Hangama.
Thank you, Faridun, and I'm also debuting on your show. So
No, it's a pleasure to have you in the Hangama office and we're glad that you follow our work.
Of course, I love them, especially the rapid fire. Just the way you interact with guests. I think you've created a special place for yourself.
Thank you very much. And tell us about The Body.
Well, it's a very, very interesting thriller. I think as an actor, it's very important for you as an audience yourself to get convinced about the subject so that you can really go there excited about it and give it your all. So when I read the script, I as an audience, I think it totally gripped me and kept me guessing throughout the end. Till the end. So I was really excited to be a part of it, and I thought this is one of the best things that can come my way, as a debut especially, to kind of feature in a Hindi film for the Hindi audience, which is going to completely take them by surprise as much as it did to me.
What I find very interesting about your filmography down south is that we are having this much talked about film that is releasing next Eid. It is called Lakshmi Bomb, and there have been 4 versions of that, 4 parts of that
Yes.
in the south, and you've been part of 2 of them.
2, yes.
So tell us about how big is that?
Yes, it's one of the biggest franchises, in the South, especially in the horror comedy genre. That's where everything began with Muni. That is the first installment of the Kanchana series. And when we started, we didn't know that it's going to be so huge. I just liked the story. I found it interesting, and the way Lawrence Sir, he narrated the whole thing to me. I just thought this is a film that I have to be a part of. I didn't know it's going to be such a huge franchise ultimately. We enjoyed that bit, it did well. Then came Kanchana 1, Kanchana 2, and recently I was part of Kanchana 3 as well, which did 100 plus crores of business. So it just goes to show that as a product, it knows how to entertain the audience, and I'm glad they really loved the film and showered it with so much love. And I'm happy it's being made in Hindi as well. I'm sure the Hindi audience is going to love it too. Like Lawrence Master director, he is so good with comedies and he knows the pulse of the audience. I'm sure that it's going to be loved here as well. And Akshay Kumar, so he's fabulous with comedy.
He is, and he's also taken the difficult route of being a transgender in the film. It's not easy to portray.
Yeah.
He's looking amazing.
I'm looking forward to it. I really am, yeah.
And have you spoken to Akshay Sir by any chance?
No, I haven't. I have never met him.
You've never met him?
Yes. I think you're meeting him tomorrow. You must convey my wishes.
I'll do that. I'll do that for sure.
Yeah.
What do you find different when you're working in southern cinema compared to Bollywood? Do you think there's any difference?
I think instead of comparing industries and the differences, I think each film is a different experience for me, because a film is made up of different people, right? On each film you work with different people. So everybody comes with their own individualistic approach and everybody comes with their own way of working and functioning. So for me, each film is different from each other. A Bala sir who I worked with in Pardesi would work different from a Lawrence sir. So here also, when I was really anxious when I was starting my journey here. I didn't know what Imran was like in person. I didn't know many people here. But when I met them, they really put me at ease. And every film, I feel like a newcomer. And that the same feelings of that, okay, I have to prove myself here. I don't come with the mindset that I have done 22 movies and, with every film, I feel like a baby.
South, they have this, I think, a wonderful culture of fan clubs. I think they're a huge factor in the success of the movies, in spite of the fact that, say, for example, in Kannada, you're having a certain sector and certain sizable population, but still the movies, they do very well in terms of numbers.
Yes,
Same with Telugu and Tamil and Malayalam. Do you find that fascinating, that the way the fans, they follow their stars?
Of course, I think actors are here mainly because of so much of love, unconditional love from their fans and audiences. Yes, there I think it's on a larger extent, because the fans go out of their way. They probably watch the movie 10 times for the actors, and one of the main sources of entertainment, I think, in India overall is cinema. That's what they look forward to when they want to, have a relaxing time with their family or do something outside of their work. So I'm glad that so much of love is showered upon actors, and like Rajni sir and all have like huge fan following.
Yeah.
It's unbelievable. So yeah, it's good. But here also I feel somebody like all the superstars like Salman sir, Shah Rukh sir, Akshay sir, Amir Khan sir, everyone has an insane kind of fan following.
No, it is there, but for example,
The temples and Abhishek and all that they do.
I'm coming to the
before
temples
release.
shortly. I'm coming to the temples shortly. But for example, the fans down south, they ensure that the movies, they're not pirated,
Yes.
which is I think a very interesting thing, because piracy is a huge factor in the Hindi film industry.
Yes.
So yeah, the movies run for 6 weeks and 7 weeks, and the fans, they keep on coming and watching the movies, and
In the theatre.
they contribute to the success of the film in that manner.
Yes.
So, which is I think something very interesting, which is very fascinating.
Yeah, I mean, they love the whole theatre experience, going there and being there for their favorite stars, doing this Milk Abhishekam, and like really taking it as their own movie, which is very fascinating. I mean, I wish I had that kind of fan following. but,
No, but so as I was asking you off camera, do you have any temples so far?
oh no, not at all.
Apparently you don't, but
I do
a lot of
want
the
to, I
stars-
think. I do
A lot of the
want
stars,
to
they
have.
tend to have it, and the way they are followed is the Milk Abhishek.
No, but I wouldn't like that. I don't think I would like that because it's a bit much, for me. After all, we are just actors. I mean, it's great that the fans think of us and, actors in such a huge way. But to be honest, they are the real stars because they are giving us unconditional love without expecting anything from us while we are benefiting from their love. So I think the audience and the fans are like the real stars.
Now the body is releasing on 13th. Are you happy with the way the movie has been promoted?
Yes, because it's a thriller and we cannot talk much about the movie because, there are certain things which cannot be revealed. I think it has been well promoted and people are curious to watch the film. If I go by the numbers of the amount of people who have watched the trailer, it's 30 million viewers and stuff. I'm getting a good feeling and hopefully, the audience will go and love the movie and enjoy it as much as we did making it.
How's the experience of working with Imran Hashmi? So he has this image of being a serial kisser, but I think there's much more to him.
Yes, of course. When I hadn't met him, I was really thinking of calling him sir because, of the kind of intense and serious roles he's played on screen, and he's obviously my senior here. When I met him, he has such a warm vibe. He just puts the other person at complete ease. Like when you met him, I'm sure you must have felt the same. He's got a very nice aura about him and he's extremely intelligent and knowledgeable.
Very intelligent.
Yeah. And he must have given you some gyan as well, I'm sure.
We have done many interviews together.
Yeah, exactly.
I think there's much more to Imran Hashmi than
Exactly.
what people think. He's pretty good with what he's famous for as well in terms of explaining that.
He's an all-rounder.
He's an all-rounder.
Yeah.
He's truly an all-rounder.
Superbly intelligent. I couldn't believe. He's like, I would like to call him Google personified because anything, any doubts you have, he has the answers for them, Extremely knowledgeable and very funny.
Yeah, he is. He's got a very subtle sense of humor.
Hilarious. Yeah, very subtle. You won't even know what hit you, But I couldn't just stop laughing throughout the making of the movie, like in between shots and all.
What is your plan like from here on? Do you have more offers from Hindi? And
Yes, I'm meeting some people and hopefully I'll be doing more Hindi movies. I am from Mumbai, so मैं हिंदी में बात भी कर सकती हूँ तो I think it would be great to do some work here. I've been working in South also. Not that I'm going to not do any more South movies. I think there's except the language difference, the art is the same, the craft is the same, and people are different with each and every film. So I'm loving the fact that I'm doing something that I totally enjoy, and since childhood I've always wanted to be an actress.
what about the OTT platforms? Does that fascinate you?
Yeah, it does actually, because we have great content coming on OTT. Story that cannot be told in probably 2 hours. It's a great platform, for them to narrate a story which needs a longer time, kind of more scope, when it comes to having a build up of characters and telling interesting stories. And also for as actors, I think there's so much more work now for everyone. I'm open to OTT platforms, but as of now, I'm mainly concentrating on films.
You spoke about that be it South, be it Bollywood, there are mainly different industries, everything is hunky-dory. But what happens is that people want to be seen at certain parties and they want to be seen at certain events and they want to be seen with the right people, because many a times those are the stepping stones in a way for getting the sort of work that they're aspiring for. How important is that for you, in terms of networking and being seen at the parties and events?
I'm such a hibernator, like as in I just hibernate a lot if I'm not working. And in South, really, what I have done is I've gone to my work, my shoot, and come back, locked myself in my hotel room, prepared lines for the next day, because it's a language which I didn't know from the beginning. I've learned the languages like Tamil, Malayalam, a little bit of Malayalam I know, not completely, but Tamil completely I know it, Telugu. And Kannada is my mother tongue. So that's the only language I speak. So now I've learned these languages. So for me, it's very essential that I come back to my room and prepare my lines for the next day. Here, I do know the language. I don't really know how things function here. I'm just learning.
Figuring it out.
Yeah, figuring it out. I mean, it's not like I'm going to restrict myself from going to parties because of a preconceived notion that, okay, this is networking or something, but if I'm invited to something, then I don't mind going to it, to be honest. But in South, I haven't done things like that, like networking and going to parties and even PR, Here, I think there's a lot of focus on the pap culture and, your PR game has to be really strong, Where there, it's more relaxed. It's you just do your work and you come back and let your film talk for yourself.
That's what I mentioned in the beginning. It's the fans who really take care of the rest. Yeah,
exactly. And they support you so much.
They do.
Like all my fans from South, my well-wishers, they have been supporting the body a lot. Every time there's some new song coming out or the teaser trailer coming out, they want to trend the teaser and trend the trailer on Twitter. So that's the kind of, attachment they have with the actors they love.
So have you been told that you resemble Nagma?
I've been told I resemble 10 people, so
But
really,
has
yes.
Nagma
Yeah, that name also has, kind of been, I've been associated.
Who are the others?
It would not be right for me to say. You can guess and I'll say yes or no.
All right. No, but I think when I'm looking at you, I think Nagma is one personality that comes to my mind. And Aishwarya as well?
Yeah.
Huh.
That and... Okay, I love Sridevi ma'am. Some people say that, I don't know. Hi, this is Vedika Kumar here and you are watching Bollywood Hungama. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon.